So this is surface water treatment workshop every 2 years in the tri-states. I think this is a very focused on our region. It's a national conference. You can probably hear different talks for different systems, but here it's much more focused on what we do here. That's the unique part of this workshop.
I'm attending the surface water treatment workshop. The way my job relates to this conference is I help municipalities with their water systems, and there's a lot of people in various states that drink water that is derived from surface water.
I really like this workshop because you can meet people in this region and share experience and know what kind of topic or research project, even project they're working on. And like today, I sat into a couple presentations. I think that's really good for us moving forward, look at some similar projects